Okay, Matthew, I don't want you to be upset if this thing crashes. And I need you to keep your hands away from this propeller.
Right to here?
Yeah, now hold your hands right there. Don't move them. Don't launch this. I just want to show you how fast the propeller is. See?
I know.
If you put your finger in there, it'll chop it off.
I know.
Okay, so you're going to do a nice little launch for me? Okay, you need to get this one a little hot, like up a little more. Bring the nose up a bit. Like that, but not too much. See the tail behind your ear? That's going to hit you on the edge. It's going to crash.
Do I go like that?
Yep. You can bring your head in a little bit. Like that. And then now you're aiming at the ground though. Aim at the bush. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Go, bud. Uh-oh. That was easy.
I thought it was gonna crash.
Well, I was able to get it back, buddy. Flew kind of weird there.
Yeah, like,
Got to remember, we got a pile of glue on this thing.
so it might be too much weight on it.
I think it's doing pretty good.
Daddy, can I go in the car?
Yeah, you cold? Go ahead, go in the car.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, bud. Well, that sure flew good. Papa would be very proud. Repair like new again.